Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Johnny Holland, and today I'm about to unveil a hidden gem in the world of AI-driven business opportunities. If you've been on the hunt for a fresh, innovative venture that's still relatively untapped, you're in the right place. Let's talk about flashcards. At first glance, they might seem like a simple educational tool, but there's a burgeoning demand for them on platforms like Etsy, especially those tailored for children's education. From animals and alphabets to shapes and colors, these cards are not just about memorization. They're about making learning interactive and fun. Now you might wonder, with so many flashcards out there, how do you carve a niche for yourself? How do you ensure your product doesn't just become one among many? That's where the magic of AI comes in. Meet ChatGPT, an AI that can brainstorm with you. Feed it a category and watch as it churns out unique, engaging ideas. From the sounds animals make to the world of baby animals, the AI suggestions are both innovative and market-friendly. Once you've got your ideas, it's time for visualization. And for that, I've been leaning on Midjourney. This AI image generator is nothing short of revolutionary. Whether you want a playful puppy or a majestic mountain, Midjourney crafts it with precision. Look at these. The level of detail, the vibrancy, it's truly next level. And here's the kicker. With the right plan on Midjourney, you're fully equipped with commercial rights. This means you can sell these designs without any legal hiccups. Design is where your product truly comes to life. And with Canva, it's a breeze. Their flashcard maker tool is intuitive, offering a plethora of templates and customization options. Whether you want a minimalist design or something more flamboyant, Canva's got you covered. But here's where we up the ante. To truly make a mark on Etsy, you need to offer something that sets you apart. My suggestion? Complimentary coloring pages. Imagine a child using your flashcards and then coloring a page that reinforces what they've learned. It's educational and fun. And crafting these coloring pages? It's as easy as pie with Midjourney or any other AI tool you prefer. The key is to offer value, something that makes your product irresistible. As we delve deeper into the intricacies of this promising AI-driven venture, it becomes imperative to meticulously analyze the core strengths underpinning its foundation. These strengths not only serve as pillars supporting the business idea, but also illuminate the path towards its potential triumph in the market. 1. The pioneering blend of AI and education. Historically, education and technology have shared a symbiotic relationship, each propelling the other to greater heights. Our venture stands at this intersection. The traditional concept of flashcards undergoes a metamorphosis when infused with AI. This isn't just about modernizing an old tool, it's about redefining the learning experience. By ensuring a tailored, immersive journey for each learner, we're not just teaching, we're captivating imaginations. 2. Tapping into the goldmine, Etsy's market potential. Etsy, a platform synonymous with creativity and innovation, is currently experiencing a renaissance in the demand for educational tools. Its diverse and ever-growing user base presents a fertile ground for our AI-driven flashcards. But it's not just about the numbers, it's about aligning with a platform that resonates with our ethos of innovation and quality. 3. Elevating the experience. The value-add proposition. In today's saturated market, differentiation is key. Our flashcards don't just stop at imparting knowledge. By integrating complementary coloring pages, we're offering a holistic educational package. It's a two-pronged approach. Solidify the learning and then provide a creative outlet to reinforce and express that knowledge. This fusion transforms learning from a mundane task into an engaging journey. 4. Leveraging the titans, harnessing established AI tools. In the realm of AI, standing on the shoulders of giants allows us to see further and clearer. By harnessing renowned AI tools, we ensure a dual advantage: impeccable quality and streamlined efficiency. These tools, with their proven track record, act as our allies, ensuring that our product is both innovative and reliable. 5. A clear vision, the monetization. Blueprint. A dream without a plan remains an illusion. Our monetization strategy is both lucid and robust. The journey from conceptualization to commercialization is mapped out with precision. By introducing our product on platforms like Etsy and emphasizing commercial rights, we're not just launching a product, we're building a brand. Every step, every decision is taken with foresight and a vision for long-term growth. These strengths form the bedrock of our venture. They are the compass guiding our journey, ensuring that we navigate the tumultuous waters of the business world with confidence and clarity. As we forge ahead, these strengths will be our beacon, illuminating our path to success. It's crucial to delve into some considerations. These are not just afterthoughts, but pivotal aspects that can shape the trajectory of our AI-driven venture. Firstly, the feedback loop. While AI is a marvel, it's not infallible. It's a tool, and like any tool, its efficacy depends on how we wield it. Collaborating with educators ensures that the content we produce aligns with pedagogical standards. But it's not just about correctness, it's about relevance. Educators, with their on-ground experience, can provide insights that an AI, no matter how advanced, might miss. This symbiotic relationship between human expertise and AI capabilities can lead to a product that's both innovative and educationally sound. Next, diversification. The realm of digital education is vast and ever-evolving. Flashcards are just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine coupling them with interactive workbooks that adapt to a child's learning pace, or digital games where every quest is a learning opportunity. By diversifying our product range, we not only tap into a broader market, but also cater to varied learning styles, ensuring a more holistic educational experience. Then there's community building. In today's digital age, a product isn't just a standalone entity, it's a part of an ecosystem. By fostering a community around our brand, we create advocates, not just customers. Engaging with them, valuing their feedback, and iterating based on their insights can lead to a product that's not just market-friendly, but also user-endorsed. It's this community-driven approach that can be the bedrock of sustained success. Lastly, sustainability. As we innovate, we must also be stewards of our planet. The beauty of digital products is their inherently low carbon footprint. But beyond that, emphasizing our commitment to sustainability can resonate deeply with the modern consumer. In a world grappling with environmental challenges, aligning our business with eco-friendly practices isn't just ethical, it's also smart business. So, to wrap up, dive into the world of AI, harness its potential, and create a product that's not just educational, but also engaging. List it on Etsy and watch as your unique offering captures the market. And before we conclude, if this video shed light on new possibilities for you, do hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments. Your feedback fuels our content. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. In the realm of business, it's the trailblazers who leave a mark. So blaze your trail, innovate, and transform ideas into reality. Until our next rendezvous, keep exploring and keep innovating.